Today is Memorial Day 2021 on Monday. I'm adjusting my camera. So I'm taking out the fender liner of this Honda Fit 2009 GE8. I think it's GE8. And the reason is I want to practice how to take it off and clean out all the leaf underneath the fender liner. And I'm practicing it because on the other side I need to take out the fender liner to replace the serpentine belt. So now I'm filming what kind of screw and retainer clip I use on every single location. So okay, here we go. This is a cross. This is a cross. This is a regular no cross. That's no cross. That's no cross. No cross. No cross. No cross. No cross. And then there's no cross over there. And there are a couple more on the top end. On the top side. No cross. No cross. And then no cross over there. And there's a cross right there. And then, sorry, my camera is like moving over. And then there are a bunch smaller one on the bottom. So I'm gonna take more video of that. So it seems like I only have 3 crosses. This one, and that one over there. Okay, I'm gonna keep filming. Okay, I'm gonna keep filming. I'm gonna film the bottom of this fender liner. Here we go. And I bought a new retainer clip, so it's in the bag over there in the garage. Yeah, I left there. It's right next to the lamp. You see a bag there, a plastic bag. And then, okay, I'm gonna keep going.